Hey guys! So welcome back to our channel again, and we are here today for a mukbang. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Street food. It's tempura and
Fish balls!
yummy.
I love fish balls and tempura. It's like my... Parang, pag mag-crave ako, like, may monthly cravings, parang ito na yun. One of the, fish balls, tempura, yung kikiam, kaya
Childhood na street food.
Yeah. There. Fish balls. But, hindi namin to binili sa, sa streets. Street food. We actually bought this from, Robinson Supermarket. And, kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano to, it's, yung tempura is, from Marby. Marby yung brand, tempura. Yan. And then yung fish ball. Fried fish ball is yung fat and thin, masarap siya.
Actually, yung mga fishball ngayon sa yung mga streets na nabibili, hindi na siya fishball. Fish flats na siya.
Yeah. Flat.
Bisaya, fish flat. Fish flat naman siya. So, fish flat na siya. Kasi diba yung parang bilog lang nila ka-flat. Hindi na siya bilog na perfect circle.
And other famous street food dito sa atin is yung egg, kitten.
Kwek-kwek. Alam ko, kwek.
She
does not eat kwek.
I don't eat. Hindi ako kumakain ng kwek-kwek. Yung Adidas. I don't like Adidas.
I don't like the thought na paa siya. Basta parang siya maliit na kamay na.
Sorry, but no.
Sorry for those of you who eat Adidas or chicken feet.
So, ayan. So, habang kumakain kami, magchichikahan tayo and we're gonna talk about social media. Yeah. So before that, gagawa kami ng sauce.
So what's the sauce?
Sa akin yung tentay. Masarap to. Yung mother-in-law ko nag-introduce sa akin ito. Tentay's fishball sauce. Spicy.
Parang sa fishball nila.
Yeah. Parang siyang manamis-namis na spicy.
Which one to dito? Ito?
Ito na yun. Pero sa akin, marami akong combination. Mix. Nilalagyan ko...
Tempra?
Parang siyang gamot. So, nilagyan ko ng Tabasco. Yan. And then, ito.
What is this? Starting with the Ito local?
No, it's
made in
imported.
USA.
Binigay sa amin yan ng friend ng husband ko. Galing siyang States. It's called The Bomb.
The Bomb.
The Bomb.
Ground Zero hot sauce.
Ground Zero hot sauce.
Product
Tapos may
of
warning
Kansas.
siya. This sauce is extremely hot. Keep out of reach of children.
No! Ito na naman tayo. May iyak na.
Consume one drop at a time with extreme caution. Na-try ko na to, guys. Sobrang anghang niya. Like, super konti lang. Like,
drop to?
Drop. Hindi pa. Like, isang drop lang. Yeah, lagyan natin ng isang drop.
Each?
I don't know if you want it spicy.
Baka naman mahilak na puguan.
Ito na lang. Gawan mo na toothpick kasi it's really super spicy. So,
smells like pickles.
So, we have to use this one para matansya natin. Ay!
Hoy!
So, ganyan ka dami. Ayan. It's so spicy na siya. You want this much?
No. Half lang.
Ayan. I'll make mine more. So guys, kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung chili challenge namin.
Chili bunny challenge.
Chili bunny pala. So, I hope you watch that one. We'll link it down below. So there, are you ready to eat? I'm so hungry.
So, on to our topic. So, that was social media and what is parang pros and cons na siya. Or not
or anything about social media.
Anything about it na.
So, the reality is, I think we are all guilty of spending so much time on social media. Like, raise your hand. Like our video if you're like one of them. na who's guilty of spending so much time. Like, the moment I wake up,
Instagram lang.
cellphone ko na agad yun sinecheck ko. It's like the first and last na ginagawa. Like, when you wake up and then
in the morning,
before
and the last thing at night.
Yeah, diba, guys? We're guilty of that. Like, compared siguro before, like, 10 years ago.
I'm so proud na isa tayo sa mga generation na nabuhay na walang cellphone. As in, sobrang, if I can bring it that time back, I would. I mean, kahit sa akin ngayon, parang I can live without my phone. I don't know why.
Me?
Hindi na.
I don't know.
Ako, I can live without my phone. I don't know why.
Pwede naman.
Yeah.
If I have my husband, my family na here na, then I don't need a phone.
Yes, exactly.
Ganun lang. But kung nasa malayo ka, of course,
you need a phone.
Diba? You need a phone.
Pwede ba? Kasi nabuhay naman tayo walang phone dati. Kids these days,
well, as you all know, na alam niyo na yung age ko, so yung time na nagka-cellphone ako was during college na. Yung Motorola na flip-top na ang laki-laki. I think very first year college talaga. Kasi I studied in Cebu, so kailangan ko ng cellphone to call home here in Butuan.
I think that time was, grade 5. First phone ko is, ano yun?
Nokia?
5110.
Nokia!
5110.
5110, 6110, 6210,
3310. 3210. Dami ng mga 10 na yan.
But we only use it for calls and texts. Mga text addict tayo before. But now, grabe yung social media. Instagram, Facebook.
Ako more on Instagram.
Twitter.
I don't do Facebook a lot.
Ako din.
Ayoko yung Facebook kasi ang daming negative news, negative na posts. I really don't like that. That's why parang sa Instagram lang kasi puro pictures lang.
Yeah, if you notice my Facebook, parang nililink ko lang siya dun sa blog ko. Ganun. But I post more on Instagram. Hindi rin masyado.
I hardly check my Facebook.
Yeah. Ginagamit ko lang yung Facebook sa Messenger. Kasi may chat kami ng mga friends ko. Yun lang.
Yeah.
But then, na. So, minsan may nagme-message sa akin, parang ang tagal-tagal ko pa siyang ma-reply. And then, also with social media, parang hindi naman siguro lahat, but I think there's a difference between real life versus real. Yung Instagram, tsaka yung real life. Parang, for us, yung Instagram namin, masyadong curated. But sometimes, tinatry kong mag-post yung real time or yung ano talaga. like with Riley, with my son, ganun. But then, most of the time, hindi siya real time. Like, nagsisave na ako ng photos to post. Like, yung content din, kasi kailangan din for us na as a vlogger and influencer, we need content din. So, yun. Dapat hindi din siya parang gawin example or goals or...
Yeah. Kasi ako may personal account ako. I have another personal account where I add only my friends, yung mga kilala, yung mga close friends, close families, ganun, dun ko sila ina-add. Then I post mga private na mga gatherings na kami-kami lang, yung mga ganun. But on my Fashionbandwagon na account, it's all parang piling-pili yung mga posts ko. And not really yung parang more on, parang nagiging siya. Na-hide ko yung private life. I only post my face there.
Yeah, and then we have the right to do that. I mean, it's our Instagram, so we can do whatever we want. Diba?
So next, let's talk about the haters. Hate comments,
Bashers, how we deal with it.
Hindi naman talaga mawawala yun sila. They will always be there. So, how you handle it?
You can't please everyone.
Yes, and you don't have to change in order to please someone else. So, haters, nandyan talaga yan sila. Even if you're so loved by everyone, there will always be someone who hates you.
Or so wants to pull you down.
Yes. So, how you handle them depends on you din talaga. Like, kasi may iba din kasi tayo, di ba, palaban. Yun. Pwede din, pero I choose to just ignore them.
Yeah.
I don't care about you. If you don't like me, I don't like you too.
I don't know why so much hate on your, I mean,
on other people.
Yeah. Why can't you just appreciate other people
or just shut it?
Oh, shut your mouth or don't say anything na lang. Parang,
yeah.
Does it, I really don't get it. Like, does it make you feel good or better na may nasabi kang masama sa isang tao? Ganun.
Maybe. It satisfies them.
Yeah, but it's so sad. I mean, sad lang for that person.
Lalo na yung mga iba. Alam mo yung mga iba na gumagawa talaga ng fake accounts just to comment on others.
Ay, yeah, like,
anonymous
pa.
Effort, ha?
Nagi sila guts ba to say it because it's anonymous. I mean, di ba? I mean, yung hater natin.
Ayo.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Then murag, basta, di na lang kumustorya. Pero, basta.
Kain tayo, guys. Parang dami ko nakain.
Pero ito ang ubus niyan.
Yun dito sa akin eh.
What ay im nun?
Wala ulo. How much of your life are you willing to
what?
To share to your social media?
Yeah. Ako I only share. Ako lang. Ako lang. Even
Yeah.
Basti, parang I don't share too much about him. Kasi ayaw ni Habi.
Akin naman.
Very
okay.
private.
Yeah, I was like, parang pinag-isipan ko yun, should I or should I not? But then it was nice to know that a lot of people appreciated how I shared my journey, yung how...
Kasi relatable naman kasi talaga siya.
Yeah. Kasi kasi alam niyo lang guys, for the past 10 years na kami, 10 years of our married life, 8 years dun, puro doctor's appointment. Like, dun napunta yung 8 years of marriage namin. Like, dun kami na-stuck just to have a baby.
Puro doctor's visits.
Yun. And then, I kept that to myself kasi ayokong mag-share ng sobrang sad or yung depression, parang gano'n. Parang, I just wanna share happy thoughts and good vibes. Kaya yun. So there. So now that I have my son, so there na siya ni-share ko. But then, it's so hard to balance being a blogger or influencer and being a mom at the same time.
One time na may nag-email ata sa kanya, may nag-message sa kanya about talking about parang how she can relate to her, what she's been through. Like, sobrang nakaka-touch talaga yung mga message nila na na-realize din namin na, oh my God, parang hindi ako nag-iisa. Dami din
I just realized that I'm not alone. Like, a lot of people are...
It was very touching lang na people would message her, telling her na parang, like, you're not alone, yung like kami din, ganito din na dinadaanan nila. So,
sobrang touching yung mga message niyo. So, message niyo.
I remember may laag days, mga fishbowl sa street talaga yung nakakarapit doon.
I love that. Nung sa
sausaw yung buong sa buong
sa Chinese school, yung sa Timber City, sa labas. Sarap yung sauce niya.
Oo nga, yung mga suka-suka. Sarap.
Kaya lang parang, I just realized it now na. Kasi yung sauce niya nasa container.
And everyone would sausaw there.
Like, dinidip doon. So like, mayroong like the double or triple dip. Oh my God.
Yung kinagat na, tapos binalik ulit doon.
Like, everybody's dipping on it. Like,
diba? Like, it's not being maarte, but it's being cautious na lang.
But when you're a kid at school, then...
Oh, pag bata pa, pero wala kang pakialam, sausaw ka rin, ikaw din, kuhain ka, sausaw mo din ulit dun, di ba? Walang, nobody cares. But now, when you're older, you realize things na ba't ko ginawa yun?
Yeah. And then when you have a kid, parang, don't do that!
Oh.
It's dirty! So another topic for social media is how we edit our photos
And videos?
Videos. Yeah. Someone's asking that also. For my videos, I mean, for my photos sa Instagram, ano yung app na ginamit ko? Sa akin, I use 3 apps.
Iba-iba din sa akin.
It's like, it takes so long to post one picture, guys. Like, sobrang effort. Grabe. Like, I take my photos sa camera. I use the Canon M6. And then, after that, I transfer it to my phone. And then, next is, I use Snapseed. I use Snapseed for, yung...
Editing yung colors.
Yung lighting ng photo. Like, brightness, contrast, saturation, ganon. Then, after yung Snapseed, I'll go to Facetune. Dito naman ako, nagta-tongue twister. Facetune, tapos I use yung details, yung pinasharpen ko yung, like yung damit, yung accessories. Sina-sharpen ko doon. Then, minsan, if yung background is too dark, wina-whiten ko. So, yun lang yung ginagamit ko doon. Then, after that, I go to Fresco app. Then, I use a filter para parang uniform lahat. So, I use the VF10 dun sa Fresco. And then, there, I post it. Ako? So, it takes like 5 minutes, 3 minutes.
Ako, OOTDs, I only use my phone. I don't use the camera. Kasi parang yun sa camera ko, yung, I have only one lens. So, parang, nagiging ano ako. Mumukha akong bansot eh. Basta, sobrang short ko tingnan. Tapos parang, siguro kasi maybe bang wide siya. Yung lens ko, I don't know. I don't
Dapat
get
nakadapa yung nag-picture sa'yo.
Eh, ayaw dumapa nung photographer ko eh. Photographer ko si hubby. So, ayaw dumapa kasi, magagalit yun pag sinabi ko bakit. So,
I think I know.
So, yun. Ayaw dumapa ng photographer ko. So, he has to be like eye level lang.
Yan din yung complaint ng hubby ko kasi my husband is 6'2". So, he's so tall and then yung ganyan na level sa kanya, parang nandito sa ulo ko. He always make me short. Sabi ko, baba! So, ayun na, ginagano nila yung camera.
Ganun lang.
Ganun.
Tapos, pag ganun, okay na yan.
Hindi talaga sa yung, Instagram husband.
Hindi talaga. As in.
Minsan lang, pag may, yung paggalit na ako, parang, sige na.
Wala.
But most of the time, I'll just ask my helpers, yung drivers. Then our mom takes the best OOTD photos.
So, for videos, we take turns on editing our videos using iMovie and I use iMovie and Viva Video.
You guys, we only edit our videos using our phone.
Our phones lang talaga. We don't need those laptops, PC.
I tried using the laptop pag-edit.
Paano?
It took me like a day. Like, oh my God, parang nahirapan ako. Like, paano ba to? So when I found out na pwede sa phone, it's so easy. Like, it only takes less than an hour to edit a video. Diba?
Mabilis lang.
Yeah.
Mabilis lang.
So for those who are asking, we just use our phone. I use, iPhone 8 to.
iPhone 8 Plus ata yung sa akin, hindi ko alam.
So, iMovie and Viva Video. Yung Viva Video may bayad lang.
May bayad siya.
Monthly ba yun, no?
Monthly siya. Yung parang you go premium ata.
Oh. But then, sulit naman. Kung
Kasi you get features na parang limit na more features. Not limited.
Yung, mga effects,
font,
stickers, animation,
parang gano'n.
What do you call it? Yung mga nagpa-pop up.
Yeah.
Kasi you can't do it sa iMovie.
So, mas parang arte kasi nito ni Apple. Lahat na lang may bayad, di ba? So, yan.
I guess yung, if dun sa laptop, I think, walang bayad.
I never tried.
Walang bayad siguro.
I never tried sa laptop. So, yun, parang contented ako sa video. It's really easy. Parang pag sinesequence mo yung videos mo, you just long press and drag and drop lang siya. Tapos sobrang bilis.
So, yan guys, hindi kami na-satisfy sa Sprite kasi parang hindi siya perfect.
Parang kadiri. parang siya nagiging tubig.
Yeah. So, mas masarap yung Coke. It's refreshing sound.
Yung Sprite kanina, parang walay kalag.
Walay kalag. That's what you say in Bisaya. Yung walang
kaluluwa.
Not walang kaluluwa in Tagalog.
Ano ba yun?
No spirit in English.
Tala, sorry. Pagmumura yan sa Bisaya. Hindi naman mura, parang light lang yun na mura yun.
Parang, you're crazy.
Parang ganun. Tala, makauwi.
Or buang mong kawin.
Buang, makauwi.
So there guys, yun na. That's for our video for today, the mukbang. And we hope you like this video.
Sana nabusog kayo. Oh.
So ayan, hindi na namin naubos kasi nabusog ako sa Coke.
Anyway, so I think that's it.
That's it. So thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and I hope
We'll
you
see you
enjoyed
again
this.
next week.
See you next week for our next video episode.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Don't
Thanks for
forget
watching.
to subscribe
And
and
give
like.
us a thumbs up.
Like. Facebook yun ah. So go.